Welcome to Product Critique. Today we're diving into what many consider the best showdown in the ultra-portable performance laptop category. The Apple Macbook Air M3 versus the Dell Xps 15. And in this video, we're taking a closer look at the new 2024 Apple Macbook Air with the M3 chip. A device that's not just lighter and thinner than the Xps 15, but arguably more powerful and efficient for many users out there. The 2024 MacBook Air M3 is a refined evolution of Apple's silicon strategy. Apple has always emphasized form factor and performance, but this year's Air takes it to another level. You're looking at a 15.3-inch Liquid Retina display, edge-to-edge, color-rich, and with support for 1 billion colors. That screen alone makes it a visual treat for content creators, video editors, and designers who need precise color accuracy. And check out the color. This midnight finish is sleek, subtle, and carries that professional edge Apple is known for. With its ultra-thin chassis, just under half an inch, and a lightweight design, portability is king. You can slip it into any backpack or messenger bag and forget it's even there until you need its power. Under the hood is the new Apple M3 chip. You're getting an 8-core CPU and a 10-core GPU that delivers buttery smooth performance. Apps open in a blink, heavy workflows feel fluid, and multitasking is seamless, thanks to the 16 GB of unified memory. Pair that with a 512 GB SSD and you've got snappy performance and plenty of space for most users. Apple claims up to 18 hours. That's a full day of work and then some, without needing to reach for the charger. For students, professionals, or travelers, that kind of all-day endurance is a major win. Now let's bring the Dell Xps 15 into the picture for a moment. Yes, it's got impressive horsepower and a premium design. But it's bulkier, heavier, and let's be honest, Windows machines still struggle to match the seamless hardware-software integration of macOS on Apple Silicon. The MacBook Air M3 boots instantly, wakes instantly, and everything from Safari to Final Cut Pro is fine-tuned for this exact machine. Of course, minimalism comes with trade-offs. You're still working with just 2 Thunderbolt ports and a MagSafe charging port. But for most users, that's enough. And if you're in the Apple ecosystem, the integration across devices is something the XPS can't replicate. This renewed model brings all that performance and design at a lower price point. And being Amazon renewed, it's backed by a supplier guarantee, meaning you're getting a device that's been tested, cleaned, and certified to work like new. So, if you're weighing the MacBook Air M3 against the Dell Xps 15, and what you want is power, portability, battery life, and reliability in one beautiful machine, the choice is clear. The 2024 MacBook Air M3 is the better fit for most users. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss more expert breakdowns here on Product Critique. See you in the next one.